How to install and use Telegram on TCL Smart TV. Now, first of all, check your TV's compatibility. So before you begin, ensure that your TCL Smart TV supports apps from the Google Play Store or the Roku Channel Store. After that, use an Android TV box or Chromecast. So if your TCL doesn't support Telegram directly, you will need to use an external device like an Android TV box or Chromecast. After that, install the Telegram on the Android TV box or Chromecast. So for Android TV box, go to Google Play Store on your Android TV box, search for Telegram and select the official app from the search and install it. For Chromecast, install the Telegram app on your smartphone or tablet from the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then cast the screen from the phone or tablet to your TCL TV. After that, open the Telegram on your TV. So once the Telegram is installed in your Android TV box, you can open the app directly from your TV smart or home screen. And after that, set out the Telegram. When you first open the Telegram, you will need to log in, enter your phone number to receive a verification code. After entering the code, you will be able to start using the Telegram on your TCL Smart TV. And after that, use Telegram on your TCL TV. Now the Telegram is set up, you can start using it, sending messages, view groups, and more. After that, this is optional. Use a keyboard or mouse for easier navigation. For easier typing and navigation, you can connect a wireless keyboard or mouse to your Android TV box or to your TCL TV if supports Bluetooth accessories. So this is how to install and use Telegram on TCL Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.